Every day, millions of tons of coal-fueled industries generate electricity and power economies around the world. But with that progress comes a growing challenge: air pollution, rising emissions, and serious consequences for human health and our environment. The question is no longer whether the world needs energy. The question is, can you produce it more responsibly? For one scientist, that challenge became a lifelong mission for over 3 decades. One man has pursued a single mission to use science in service of humanity. A physicist by education, an inventor by passion, and a visionary by purpose, Dr. Chandrashekhar. He has transformed ideas into innovations across healthcare and environmental technology. His pioneering work in ophthalmology has helped improve vision for countless lives, while his patented industrial innovations aim to make energy production cleaner and more efficient. This is the story of a scientist whose greatest invention may be his unwavering belief that innovation can build a better tomorrow.
Hi, this is Chandrashekhar Chawan. I have spent 3 decades of my life in vision sciences. I brought a lot of technologies from Western world to India like scleral lenses, custom-made artificial eyes, orthokeratology, myopia control technologies, as well as now we are launching a red light therapy. Now, during this decades, I have been going back and forth to US, UK, coming back to India, bringing all these technologies and training people in Indian eye hospitals, institutions and individuals. During this coming back and forth, one thing I always noticed is the difference in atmosphere of USA compared with India. And this dense fog always that I used to see when my flight was landing was disturbing. Incidentally, one of the patient asked me if you can do something about it out of the blue. And then my attention went into it and I started working on it. Incidentally, after almost a decades of experimentation and research, we developed a catalyst that can reduce the toxic emissions coming out of thermal power plants. So, we developed this innovative formula in India as well as in my USA labs. It was easy for me to get the equipments, machinery and materials in the US, but we got it patented in India. The patent was granted in 2015 and then we started testing this product. Especially in India, we tried this coal catalyst, I call it ARC Energy PlasPlus. So, the electricity that we enjoy is produced by burning coal. Just 120 megawatt thermal power plants uses about 3,500 tons of coal, which is huge, and that 3,500 tons gets converted into 7,000 tons of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Along with that, sulfur oxides, nitrous oxides and so many other toxic fumes are released in the air, as well as fly ash and ppm, that is particulate matters, that is what get condensed in the atmosphere and we call it smog. Now, this smog is very dangerous for human health, especially people who have bronchitis or asthma or any breathing related issues. That is the main cause. Of course, there are so many other industry, construction, vehicles, other things also create some environmental effect, but major environmental effect comes because of the fossil fuel that we burn. So, to address this issue, we started experimenting on different type of catalyst and we developed this coal catalyst called ARC Energy PlasPlus. And when we tested this, we got amazing results 24% of reduction in toxic emissions, which was amazing. And now that we are facing El Nino effect that I think now everybody is aware of, climate change, global warming, all these things can be addressed by reducing the pollution that we human create on this earth. So, ARC Energy PlasPlus is a patented product that can be used in anything that burns, but we are going to recommend this in the fossil fuel, that means coal. Wherever you are burning coal, you are creating toxic emissions in the atmosphere. And the best part of ARC Energy PlasPlus is that it will reduce the toxic emissions by almost 24%, which can create a lot of impact on the environment that we breathe. And if all the industries try to use this in an efficient way, we all can help improve the climate and environment. So, considering our economic situation and energy needs, India will continue to use fossil fuel as we still don't have the infrastructure enough for nuclear power plants. We are doing wonderful in using green energies like solar and wind. But what I see is we still have long ways to go till we cease using coal. It's the cheapest fuel available on earth. Why not use it? And only thing is we use it with a sensibility and improving the combustion efficiencies. For that, there are so many other products being developed by so many other people, but we are so proud to make this in India to help our thermal power plants as well as industries, those who are using coal to prepare the products. If we use ARC Energy product sensibly, we can almost cut down the emissions by 24%, and that can definitely give a major impact on the earth, the air that we breathe and the atmosphere. And we are helping define our future better for our coming generations. So, ARC Energy PlasPlus combustion catalyst works on a plasma level. When the temperature increases to about 550 degree, the catalyst starts working and it gives a better combustion. You need a lesser coal to get the same output. The best part of ARC Energy combustion catalyst is it will act on SOx that is coming out of these toxic emissions. Overall, about 6 to 12% of energy efficiency you will get. So, to produce the same amount of electricity, you will need little less coal, and that can cause a huge impact on our reserves, and it will help our future generations. I will really like that this ARC Energy PlasPlus be used everywhere where there is a usage of coal, because that is what is causing major toxic emissions and polluting our air. If every industry takes the responsibility and uses this product in a positive way, it can definitely cause a better impact and it will clean the air and we will be able to breathe much better and we'll have a healthy life. I always used to say that I want to get Nobel Prize when I grow up, and I think I have done enough work in ophthalmology. Of course, it is not enough, but still I managed to contribute a lot in this small lifetime. But this environmental product that we have called ARC Energy PlasPlus, if the governments, industries and people start using this product, it will definitely cause a major impact on our climate? Well, I really don't know whether I have done enough, but it is our responsibility, including you and me, to leave this Mother Earth in better shape for our future generations to come. My life's journey has been driven by one purpose: to improve human life through science. In ophthalmology, I have dedicated decades helping people see the world more clearly. Now, through ARC Energy PlasPlus, I hope to contribute towards making that world clearer, cleaner, and healthier. As a scientist, I ask myself a simple question: can I contribute beyond healthcare? This question led me into the energy and environmental research. The result was ARC Energy PlasPlus, a patented technology designed not to eliminate industries but to help industries operate more efficiently and responsibly. My mission remains the same: improving lives. In ophthalmology, I help people see better. Through environmental innovations, I hope to help people breathe cleaner air.